Greetings. Hello, I am representing the Needwood Middle School in Brunswick, Georgia. This is our mobile app proposal. Upon closer research, the rate of autism has risen 1 in 88 of 2007 to 1 in 50 of 2011. Because of this increase, we decided to focus on autism for our app. After surveying parents whose children were autistic and meeting with the Glynn County School District Autism Specialist, we learned that children with autism sometimes use the Picture Exchange Communication System, or PECS, to learn to communicate with others. PECS consists of a group of pictures those individuals with autism place in a specific order in order to communicate wants or needs. While both effective and internationally recognized, PECS is limited by the numbers of pictures that are provided to the autistic individual. It can also be cumbersome and difficult to carry around. Parents would like to have an auditory aspect to PECS that would read or verbalize the needs or wants in multiple languages. Parents also stressed that autistic children are very literal and visual in learning style. As a part of the design process, we decided to include pictures of places with embedded video of activities that typically take place there. Research has shown that autistic children need visual clues and repetition. For example, there would be a stock picture of a bathroom, which a parent would change to an actual picture of their personal bathroom, with embedded videos of individuals brushing their teeth at the sink. It would even be possible for the parent to make a short video of their own child completing the activity at the location and uploading it to the app. Another addition to the app would be GPS locationing. Through GPS locationing and the use of Google Maps, autistic individuals would be able to use the app to view street scenes of buildings with information on what each building or primary function of what each building was. This would assist those with autism to better identify the correct location to which they were headed. The final aspect of our proposed app would be a built-in timer function. This was at the specific request of the parents during their interviews and surveys. One parent remarked that it was a full-time job for them to make sure that their child was remaining on task and completing their work. This timer could be set up by the parent to remind the child to stay on task as well as to take a break when appropriate. It would alarm the child that it was time for a break and could even provide them with a fun learning activity or a game to play during their break time. Then, once break time was over, it would guide them back to work. That's Pickabilities. Imagine your abilities, not your disabilities.